we have hit a grand milestone of 1100 videos. So what better machine to celebrate that milestone than with the Hoover A3060 Electronic 1100. But not just that, we have a surprise. You're watching Florence Ballad A3060 on film. So, it's not just any old video of the A3060, of course this machine is the flagship machine of my channel and my favourite in the collection, as everyone knows. But we're not just washing with any detergent. Well, Hoover did recommend Persil and Comfort as their choice of detergent, but how about something called Via Concentrate? This is Swedish Persil, which I found in Wales back in September, and I've been aching to do this video for ages. I thought it'd be nice to make the A3060 not only the first machine to do this, but to have a special video of this machine, because we've focused a lot on other machines, and not really this one. So I'm going to be washing some bedding, winter bedding on cotton 60, using Via, and we have kindly given by Charlie, washing machine guy, Comfort, honeysuckle and sandalwood fabric conditioner. I was going to use Ecover, but I thought, no, Comfort and that will do well. Going in with it is a colour run sheet, because we have got some white bed socks in that, and some Astonish Oxy-Active non-biostain remover. So we'll put that in and see how we go. So first of all, I'll put the colour run sheet in. That's Mum having a coughing fit in the back. So that goes in, stop the colours running, because of these being in there. So it's a dark.
Oh,
What? What have you done?
Cleaning.
It's the duvet cover. And 2 pillowcases. So like I do with every detergent, obviously got to do a fragrance check. What's the how it smells? I only paid $1.99 for this as well. Hence the box being taped off, and it was the only box that was on that shelf. There were some other things I found, but not anything that, like, to me was worth getting really. So what they've done essentially is this probably would have been priced at about, what, £4 or so. I can't preserve the box properly on this, so I'm going to have to do whatever I get off. So basically, yes, it's probably been dropped by someone. Okay, fair enough. They haven't. Trying to keep that. The dosage instructions, 40 millilitres. I can still see it for hard water. So we ideally would have had. That's it. There's ideally a little spout here at the front. I'm just going to cut my own one into it. It's what I normally do. So you can see where it's kind of collapsed. I'll just pull that down and I'll make my own little spout for this. Right. There, you might not be able to see that inside. Oh! That's a nice fragrance. Let's put some in a... So it's pure white, no specks or anything. So that's what it looks like. That smells really nice. Be interesting to see if it foams up anymore. So yeah, let's, without further ado, get this loaded into the machine. I'm just going to enjoy an old-fashioned shake it into the drawer. Because, okay, fair enough, bloody tongue came out. That's it. I've got to use this sparingly. I'd like to be able to preserve the box, but... Okay. Got some of this Do I get a scoop in this? No! There's no scoop in this! 2, 3, 4. So about that much. About that much in there. And I'll then keep that in there. See, the other one I use has got a scoop, the Sainsbury's one. And just need a limestone tablet, which I'll stick on top of that. We don't have the conditioner, of course, until the end of the second rinse. Down to program D. Fast spin. And we'll go. Load of air going through there. What's making the... That's all that's about. Won't take any time at all to do this. Does it nice and quick. Oh. A groan from the shock absorbers. Long lost. Oh wow, ooh, definitely producing some suds. Wow, so 100 videos since February, when I did the 1000 video special with the Hoover 6. That's most impressive. That's why we've been on a marathon of uploading stuff from the washing. And the A3060 will have a bit of a rest after this. I don't know what the chosen machine is for Christmas. Oh, we should maybe have the Hoover 6 in for Christmas. Because the A36 has been in, the 9.30 has been in. Yeah, we'll see. I know I don't find that machine particularly entertaining, but you never know. Might be able to put some Christmas lights around the door. That's a good idea. So we're getting closer to the end of the main wash and it's at 60. And there's quite a few more suds being produced. You can see it when the machine's tumbling there, you can see it going along the drum room. Quite a bulky bed though, so that's done quite a good job. Because it's not normal cotton, it's fleece material. So see, look, a few suds there. So you go up the other end. Okay, we're now finished with the dilution rinse. I love that level, it's really good. Ideally this bedding could be also washed on 75, but sadly I don't have anything that has that. Onto the first distribution drain. What's it thrown on? What's she thrown on the seal? Oh, the colouring sheet. Yeah, the shock absorber thing. So first rinse, and of course we've automatically clicked over to the gentle tumbles. And we can bring the new machine in after this. Not as looking now, but tomorrow. Be a nightmare to tumble dry this bedding, I can tell you that now. No first intermediate spin. Sounds of it. The machine will be 45 years old. salt drop. How do you do it? Still chucking a few subs down the door. Winging about the battery. The light's so hot, it's like hard to carry it. Second rinse. Okay, we're filling for second rinse, and this is when I'm going to put the comfort conditioner in. Once that does that. High water level, I love that. Alright, at the same time, just make that siphoned up the end. Towards the bottom, do is I'll show you, pointing the camera up there, the honeysuckle and sandalwood. Yeah, I'll do a full cap, because otherwise it siphons it in during the rinse. Well, literally almost to the max fill line, that is. Second intermediate spin now. Oh, that sounds a bit unbalanced, that does. Oh, that's right. I reckon all the spins will be okay with this. It's a bit annoying that you can't see inside properly. Yeah, the only thing you just get is annoying. God, that light is so hot. just harnessing inside because I haven't got a way of being able to put it like that. Because this lamp doesn't go all the way down. And it's a very hot bulb, so it's like it's hard to sort of get there. I think go on the drain hose. The light will swing a bit. Oh, quite that heavy actually. That's a bit of a nice view. Oh, the hot water hose is slightly twisted there, that'll be fine. Come on, Florence, stay balanced. You know, you like getting excited for your videos, but your YouTube moments. Yeah, not too bad. Oh, sun's lock. She handles it. Gushing out the drain hose. No fuss on it. So you look after these machines, they'll look after you. Spins on a second. No. She's a bit of an old woman there, she is. Groaning. Anyway, Florence. Oh, lovely conditioner in there now. Loved it. And the final spin. Let's raise a nice English cider to a very nice English hot drink. Alright, Florence. I think she had a bit of a drink of this while I wasn't looking. There you go, it's only the first verse, so it's not really a big deal. the in holding, yes. We can. Tangle tumbles. Oh, wow, the duvet cover's stuck around the side. Only the sheet's tumbling. You better redistribute yourself. Not that we'll get a smooth spin with bedding. Oh, just about. There we are. Well, that pillow places. There we are. Not there's much tumbling you can do there anyway. I don't really like having that light in the front of the machine. I don't know. I just kind of. I'll put it on the thing again. Yeah, it's more. It's more. I think it's much nicer like that. Here we go. Final run pump. Let's see what happens now. This doesn't sound like it's going to end well. Okay, I am not going to let that go up to 1100 like that. That is too unbalanced, that is. If it doesn't distribute properly, I'll have to stop the machine myself. Bit up by hand. It's like all the duvets covers bunched up to one side. Try one more time. If it doesn't work, then I have to do something myself. I'm not going to let that spin, so I have to just redistribute it by hand. So what I'm going to do is, it's going to be soaking wet, of course. I've got the laundry basket. So I'll just tumble it around like that, maybe. There we go. That should be fine. Let's see. I know it won't be smooth, but I don't want this machine going up so badly out of balance that it damages part of the machine. Much better. I learnt the hard way when I let this machine do that. It ended up pulling the hose from the drawer out of the drum and it sprayed water all over the motor. That pretty much is like the last 1100 motor we've got, so that should be fine. Once the bulk of the water spun out, it'll be okay. I love washing bedding, especially in a vintage washing machine. There's something about doing it in vintage machines. It's not perfect, but what can you get? Oh, machine's trying to walk. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to pay. Yeah, we'll have it there. See the entertaining spins. It's going to go crazy on this. I don't think the camera's picking up how much that's actually vibrating. Oh, all the water's coming out now. I don't think I can. Bloody hell. Crazy. That's going to make a racket. That is definitely good. The famous Hoover spinned it. How stable is the top? 1100 video special of the Hoover A3060 Electronic 1100 at 1100 RPM. Nice and drumming now. Nothing's going to fall from the side, I doubt it. That's not going to fall. That was nice to do. Actually, done 3 loads of washing in this house. Done 3. But that's what keeps this machine going, is me using the machine in a very light-hearted manner. That's what you do with a vintage machine, really. And one that's this over 40 years old now. Go. Okay. Should we see how that smells? Oh, they definitely are spun very well. That's going to go straight in the dryer. Wow, that's pretty dry. Oh my god, that is amazing. You got the smell of the presumably look at that. So much vibration on that spin. There's hardly any water left in the seal. So much. So yeah, that smells amazing. Can smell both the conditioner and the definitely the Via. So that Via, I'm going to do a video in the 9530 of at some point. So not just yet. Maybe closer to Christmas we can do something. Not promising it. We may have the Hoover 6 in for Christmas, because all the others have been in for Christmas at some point. A3060 was last year, and the year before that was the 9530. No, 9530 has been in for Christmas anyway, for 2 Christmases actually, 2016 and 2017, and the machine Cassata was in for 2020, 9530W was in for 2019, so yeah, have the Hoover 6 in. But you're going to love the new videos because we have another machine to play with. If you caught on that I was talking about that at the washing with Charlie, as well as I've spoken to a few people on Instagram about it. Only a few people know what it is, but when you tune in for the next video, just let me know if that's what you expected or if you're happy to see one of these. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.